Okay, we're gonna get right into 31 now. Here we go. After the last image, we're gonna add a fig caption. Oh, they already have it. Figure. Huh. Oh, they want this text in there. Okay, there we go. 32. The strong element is used to indicate that it's going to be bold. So we want this to be strong. Strong. Okay. Look at that. Looking good. Look at all those cats. Okay. Let's go. Alright. In the meantime, if you forgot, you can also check the previous videos where I also give help here. These will also help guide you, so use those as you need. Should get you through it pretty quick. Just trying to do a most up-to-date, and also to do this and publish to YouTube, so they're available there too. So these are new. Alright, so it's time to add a new section. Add a third section. Where do they want it? Below the second section. So section 1. Okay, this must be section 2. So we'll just do section. Great. Inside the third section, add an H2 element. H2. H2. Oops. And inside that, we want a cat form. Check it. Good. We're good. And now we're going to add a form element after this. So we'll do form. Right. Okay, so let's look at this. In this case, the action here indicates where the form data should be going. In this case, right there. In the example, it tells the browser that all the form, when somebody clicks something in the form, it should be sent to this path. Somewhere on your website backend. So in the action, we want action set to, and then this. Boop. Let's see if we did it. Okay. And then the input element allows you several ways to collect data from a web link or web form, like image elements, input elements, or void elements, and they don't need closing tags. So they want us to nest one inside of our form. So we'll just do an input. Okay. All right, that's it. And then there are many kinds of inputs you can create using the type attribute. So you can easily create a password, a reset, or control whatever's happening. Create a text field to get the text input. So we're going to do type set to text. Check that. Wow, look at that. And just so you know what this is doing, look at that. Now we have a text input. It's pretty cool. Okay. And right now, this is correct, but the data needs to be able to be accessed by the location specified in this action. So it's going to need a name. So we can set a name to whatever we want, some name variable. So this is an example of an input where the name is the attribute for the name attribute. I don't know why you would call it a name, but in this case, we're going to call this input, when we get the input, cat photo URL. So there you go. So they're inputting some cat photo URL there. And placeholder text is there just to give somebody something so that they know what type of input they're trying to add. So after type, we will just put in placeholder set to, and then it says cat photo URL. Okay, well, check that. Now, what did that do? See how it now populates this with like a grayed out one where it says cat photo URL? That's all it does. Makes it easy for the user. You're on to 41. Great work. Hope that was helpful.